I'm Sam with Papago Vans, and I cannot wait to show you this El Capitan tier build that we've just completed on a Sprinter 144 chassis. With this beautiful blue interior, we've got some really great stuff. Come on in and let me show you. So up front, we have the headliner shelf. This is from Van Wife. We are absolutely in love with this product. It creates so much extra storage space in here. What we have up top are the window covers from Van Essential. These are amazing at keeping light in or out. They also help insulate your van, so if it's really hot out or really cold out, you'll be able to help conserve that temperature inside of your van. These curtains will help with that as well. So if you are camping somewhere and it's really, really cold, you can pop these open. That S-bar heater is underneath the seat, and you're going to be able to heat the cabin. And then we've got the Nomadic X2 up top. So not having to cool that area or heat that area of the van will help you conserve energy. These are wonderful. This is the insulated one from Van Wife. We've got additional storage in here. Every bit of storage is absolutely paramount in a van. Full-size shower with the Lavio dry flush down at the bottom. Floor to ceiling closet space in here. We've got shelves up top, garment racks down below, and the Lippert bed. So this is the Lippert Eurolift. I absolutely love how easy and slim this product is. So this is it in bed mode. You can see we've got these custom cushions in here. This is super, super comfy. Memory foam mattress in here. And it lifts with the push of a button. It goes up or down. Super easy to use. And now in the dinette area, before I show you the dinette, I want to point out, so we've got a 33-gallon over-the-wheel well water tank in here, giving you ample amounts of potable water wherever you are. We've got there's no hot water heater back there. And on this side, we've got 800 amp hours of battery, and in that front one is the inverter. Now it does fold into a dinette super easy. Pop that table up, and now you've got a cute little dining area back here. We've got the lights running underneath to keep you well lit at night. During the day, you could have those back doors open, get a nice breeze going through here. This layout is absolutely fantastic, and I love how the customer wanted the cushions in here. Typically, we do an undermount sink. This customer opted for an overmount sink with the custom insert in here. This faucet is going to be for your potable water. You'll be able to wash your dishes, clean out your sink, spray a friend. And then this is going to be for your filtered water. So that we use a Guzzle Stealth water filter that is going to use multiple components to get all of the bacteria and contaminants out of your water. Below the sink is the 4-gallon hot water heater. Now this does only open on this side because we've got the fridge over here. This is a really functional layout. If you're going to be having people around your van, you want to be able to access that fridge super easy from outside, and your space right above that. Tons of outlets in this van so that you can plug in, charge your phone, get a fan or a radio going. Great, great layout. Love this van, love the color, absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to hand you over to Lee, and he's going to show you everything on the outside.
What's up guys, Lee here, and I'm going to give you the walk around of the exterior of this thing. So just starting right up here up front, we've got our premium wheels and tires package, which is going to be, in this case, the Black Rhino Arsenals wrapped in a Nitto Rich Grappler tire. So very capable tire. It's going to get you off-road, get you out there, and make sure you got plenty of grip and traction on the way. So, and also right under the wheel well here, we have the Falcon shocks from Band Compass. These are a reservoir shock with an adjustable switch. So if you want to adjust the ride of the van, making it either stiffer or softer, you can do that, which is going to be the most important whenever you're on those washboard sections of the road, or you just got a long drive and want a little bit more plush suspension. So that's pretty much everything down there. Up top, we have an aux beam 50-inch light bar, and then kind of moving towards the back here, we have our Steelcraft side steps. Now there's going to be a longer one on this side, a shorter one on that side for the drivers. So As I mentioned before, these vans are very tall, so having this step to kind of give you a step up into the van is big. Otherwise, you got to make this big long step up here, which is not fun. I've got long legs and it's still not fun. So right here up front, we have our Flatline Vanco cubby, which is going to be really nice for keeping a set of flip-flops, Crocs, something that you just want to quickly throw on and off. You can keep them right here. That way they're not taking up space on the inside. Very good use of space. Also here we have our entertainment table. I say entertainment, more of like hors d'oeuvres and snacks and stuff like that, maybe a couple drinks. But you can throw stuff on this whenever you're out about at the campsite to kind of like keep everybody happy, well fed, well watered, you know, like plants. Anyways, up here we have our Nomadic A2 awning, and this is going to work with a switch to either retract or extend it. Also, it has LED light strips lining the front edge and the back edge, giving you plenty of lighting out here at the campsite. This is going to keep you cool in the summer and dry in the rain. So very nice thing to have. We don't have it out fully today, mainly because it's a little windy and don't want wind to pick up on it before the customer gets it. So back here we have this nice package from Illuminess. This is going to be your Powerlift bike rack along with your Explorer box, which is really nice. So to kind of give you a little demonstration of how this thing works, you've actually got a Milwaukee battery right here, and you're going to pull this lever. And is what you'll do is you'll just hold this switch, which will lower the bike all the way down. I'll go ahead and show that real quick. So this is it all the way down. Now this is going to be very nice for getting your bikes on and off when you're out places. A lot of times, like, you'll have your bikes mounted up here, which, so when this thing's in the up position, it's actually really nice because it keeps your bikes up high, which makes it harder for people to steal. Gives you a little bit more peace of mind. But when it's down here, it's super easy to just lift the bikes off. You don't have to lift them over your head or nothing like that and be like He-Man. You can just easily have access to them, which is very, very nice. And then when you're got your bikes loaded back up and you want to put them up, and then you're right back up here in the safe travel position, which this is an awesome, awesome, awesome bike rack. So now for storage purposes, like I said, you have this Explorer box, which is very nice. It's got a very nice door, lots and lots of dry storage on the inside. It's got these rubber gaskets to make sure that you're keeping the dust and the rain and everything out. And then on the exterior, you have a nice gear mounting panel, which if you want to keep max tracks or tools or anything like that, it's a great spot for those. Speaking of exterior accessories, over here we have our Rotopax diesel tank. So yellow typically indicates diesel. So if you're going out far, you may want to have a couple extra gallons just for peace of mind. So that's what this thing is for. It's actually got a Rotopax mount, which is fantastic. It's got a lock, so it's theft proof. You got peace of mind that this thing's not going anywhere. It is also mounted to our Flatline Vanco spare tire carrier and ladder. So this ladder is going to give you access to the roof where we have our solar and everything like that up there. And then you also have a full-size spare wheel and tire. So if you do go down with a flat out on the trail, you can just pop on that new one and you're good to go. Now coming back over here where we started, I'll close this door to reveal our Van Speed flares. So this van does have color matched flares from Van Speed on either side. Now, is what those do is they give you almost a foot of extra space on the inside, because living in a van, every bit of space matters. So that's very nice to kind of have some shelving on the sides that you can kind of like toss some extra things, or just kind of have that little bit of space to kind of make it not feel so closed in. So those are very nice to have. So that is going to be everything for this van, you guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment below. And if you want to see more of the van walkthroughs that we post, go ahead and turn on those notifications as well, because we got a lot more coming your way in the coming weeks. Thanks for watching.